Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Regions Bank step by step clearly. Open your Regions Bank mobile app or visit the Regions Bank website. Log into your account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting or Financial Tools section. Click on Create a Budget to begin setting up your personal budget. Start by entering your total monthly income. Include all sources of income, such as salary, bonuses, or any side jobs. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs cover groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Enter amounts for each category based on your previous spending habits. Once all categories are filled in, review your total expenses. Compare your total expenses to your income to see if you are above or below budget. Adjust your expenses if needed to align with your financial goals. Use the suggested savings goals provided by Regions Bank for guidance. After finalizing your budget, save it for future reference. Set reminders for regular budget reviews, ideally monthly. Track your spending through Regions Bank tools to stay on target. Make adjustments to your budget as life changes occur. Utilize their educational resources for budgeting tips as necessary. Stay committed to your budget to improve your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.